Assalamu alaikum and hello dear viewers, welcome back to another powerful English learning video. If you ever been confused about how to introduce yourself in English, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to give a perfect self-introduction whether you are in a class, a job interview, a meeting or online. I'll guide you step by step with the example. So grab a pen and a notebook and let's master it together. So section number 1 is that why is self-introduction important? So giving a good introduction helps people who you are, understand who you are. Giving a self-introduction helps people understand who are you, what you do and what you are passionate about. It builds your first impression and it also helps you sound confident and fluent in English, right? So a great introduction is not about using difficult words. It's about speaking clearly and with purpose, right? So now I'll give you basic structure you can follow, right? First number is that greeting, and after that name and location where you are from, right? Education or profession, right? Education or profession, right? Interest or hobbies, right? Your passion or future goal, closing or thank you, right? So now let's we put this into action with examples, right? So now I'll give you beginner friendly self introduction, right? Assalamu alaikum, my name is Hanan Ali. I am from Bahawalpur, Pakistan. I have completed my bachelor's degree in computer science, BScs, right? I love learning about new technology, improving my skills and speaking English with confidence, right? In my free time, I enjoy watching tutorials, exploring programming and reading helpful content. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Thank you. So it's short, clear and polite, right? So now let's try more confident and advanced version, the kind of intro you can use on YouTube, in interviews or when in meeting professionals, right? So Assalamu alaikum, hi there, I am Hanan Ali from Bahawalpur, Pakistan. I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science and I have a strong interest in technology, content creation and communication, right? I enjoy exploring artificial intelligence, software tools and how digital skills can improve everyday life. I believe in continuous learning and I am always looking for ways to grow personally and professionally. It's great to connect with you and I hope we learn a lot together. So now I'll give you useful vocabulary and phrases you can use it, right? So here are some modern impressive phrases you can use in your introduction, right? So first number is that I hold a degree in which you have, right? I am passionate about, I am currently exploring, in my free time I enjoy, I aim to build a career in, I strongly believe in, right? So using these phrases make your English sound more natural and confident, right? So now I'll tell you about mistakes that are need to avoid, right? Now let's avoid some common mistakes many learners make, right? Saying myself Hanan, that is not correct. Say I am Hanan or my name is Hanan, right? Using difficult or memorized sentence, use simple and natural English, right? Speaking too fast or too slow, that is not correct, right? Speak clearly with normal pace and pauses, right? So forgetting body language, right? Smile, make eye contact and show confidence, right? So remember, confidence is more important than grammar, right? So now I'll give you bonus tips for speaking fluently. So practice in front of a mirror, record your voice and listen back. Watch English speakers and learn how they introduce themselves, right? Try to speak your intro once a day. Daily practice brings fluency, right? You don't need fluency vocabulary, just be honest, relaxed and real, right? So now we'll talk about that final call to action, right? So now it's your turn. Try writing your own introduction in the comments or in your notebook. Use the structure and vocabulary we learned today and practice daily, right? Remember, every step you take in English brings you closer to success, right? Be proud of your progress and never stop learning, right? So if this video helped you, make sure to like, share with friends and subscribe for more awesome English learning content. right? So thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay motivated. So till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next video.